Welcome everyone. Hello everyone. For this Ganesh Chaturthi, I tried making two different modak. One is dry fruit and Poha Modak, and the next one is Oreo Modak. Now let's see how to prepare them. First, let's prepare Oreo Modak. For the Oreo Modak, here I am using 2 big packets of Oreo biscuit. From the biscuits I have removed all the cream and then I have added them to a mixer bowl and I will grind them into a powder. The biscuit mix is ready. Next, let's make a filling for our modak. So I am using the cream which I had taken out from the Oreo biscuit and added some choco chips to it, and then I'll just simply mix everything, and this will be the filling for our Oreo Modak. Now in the Oreo biscuit mix I will be adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, and the milk should be in room temperature, and then I'll just mix everything. Here's our modak mixture ready. Now I'll simply take some mixture in my hand and I'll be using a modak mold. I have pressed some of the mixture in the modak mold, and then I'll be adding our filling in the middle portion of the modak mold on top of the mixture, and then I'll add some more modak mixture to the other half of the mold, and then I'll combine both the part, and this way we will get a very nice, beautiful looking modak. Some people can make it without using a mold, but in this video I'll be showing you modak with which I'll be making with help of a modak mold. So here I have made a beautiful Oreo Modak. So here's our Oreo Modak ready. And this way I'll make all the Oreo Modak. This is the Oreo Modak ready. For the dry fruits and Poha Modak, I'll be adding some walnuts to a pan, cashew nuts, half bowl of pista. Put the flame on to medium low and put 1 tablespoon of ghee. Fry it until golden brown. Next, blend 1 cup sugar into powder. I'll be using this kind of poha for our modak, so it's a very thin poha. Blend 1 cup of poha into fine powder. Blend the fried dry fruits into powder. In a plate, I'll be adding the sugar powder. Add the dry fruits powder and the poha powder. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee into the mixture and then mix everything. After mixing the ghee, I will be adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk which is in room temperature. Now again I'll just try to mix everything together so that we can make our modak. Here you have to see if your consistency is too dry, so you can add some more milk to the mixture. See, this is my consistency, it's sticking in my hands. Now it's ready. See, this is the consistency now. It's almost ready to make our modak. So let's make the modak. With the help of a spoon, I'll fill the modak maker, the mold. If you don't have a modak mold, you can use your hands and give it a nice shape. So this way I'll fill both the sides of the modak mold, and then I'll simply press both sides together and scrape off the excess modak mixture that comes out. And now while taking out the modak, you have to be really very gentle. So I'll be opening the modak mold and very gently I'll take out the modak. So here's our beautiful modak ready for Ganpati Bappa. If you like the 2 different kinds of modak recipe, please do like and subscribe the channel, and please write in the comments what more recipes you want to see, and also write how was the modak.